This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Joel Hanna. Desirable South Tampa Rental Available. Optional furnishing is available. Situated in a non-flood zone and unaffected by recent storms, this well-maintained property is in a prime location. Featuring an open floor plan with 3 bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms, this home boasts a massive kitchen with plenty of storage that flows perfectly into the living room, ensuring the chef always has an intimate connection with family and guests. The extremely large master bedroom includes 2 generous walk-in closets, and the master bathroom offers a walk-in shower and a garden tub, ideal for relaxation after a long day. The private backyard features low-maintenance artificial grass and seashell landscaping, making it the perfect haven for relaxation and creating amazing memories with friends and family. Great rentals like this don't last long.